Wow, guys, Ethereum is absolutely skyrocketing right now. We know, guys, okay, for the past week, okay, for the past few days, Ethereum has in fact been going up, and today, man, it is not stopping, right? Ethereum is continuing to go much, much higher. So in today's video, I want to give you guys an update on Ethereum, where Ethereum will be potentially heading, right? In the next few weeks, and of course in the next few months, because I truly do believe a new all-time high is coming, guys. Okay, and there is in fact some charts for Ethereum that I do want to show you guys today. Okay, and you guys need to understand the adoption for Bitcoin has in fact been going crazy. Okay, so it's understandable why we are in fact seeing the Ethereum price rising. And as I told you guys many times, Ethereum, okay, as we all know, is the king of altcoins, right? It's the largest altcoin out there in the crypto market, just behind Bitcoin, right? It's sitting at number 2. And I told you guys, once alt season does begin, we're going to see Ethereum skyrocketing and pretty much leading the way. And I told you guys a couple of days ago that alt season is pretty much beginning, right? As we know, the Bitcoin dominance has in fact been dropping. We've been seeing, a lot of altcoins in the crypto market skyrocketing. And I truly do believe this is the beginning of alt season, guys. Ethereum is looking absolutely amazing right now, and it's looking like it's ready to reach back up to its previous highs finally, right? Ethereum, okay, reaching back up to 4.8k. Okay, that's about to happen, and it's not going to stop there. It's going to be reaching new highs, as I've been telling guys many times, okay, for the past few weeks and a few months, that Ethereum will eventually be reaching new highs. So let's talk about it, guys. Okay, so looking at the Ethereum price today, man, it is looking absolutely amazing. We know, guys, Ethereum has in fact been pumping, but man, look at this, right? Yesterday we saw Ethereum rising to about $4.4 thousand. Okay, and today went all the way as high as 4.6, beyond $4.6 thousand, guys. Man, it is looking pretty good right now for Ethereum. If we go to the weekly time frame, you guys can just clearly see Ethereum is literally about to reach back up to its previous highs. Okay, so in our last bull cycle, okay, back in 2021, we did see Ethereum reaching a high of $4.8 thousand back in 2021, right? Our last bull market. Again, you guys can clearly see right now, literally right now at this very moment, Ethereum is not too far off from reaching back up to its previous highs, right? It really isn't. So, man, this is this is very exciting for Ethereum, guys. Okay, it really is, right? Ethereum finally making a move, okay, because as we know, guys, for the past few months, we did see, for example, Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs for the past few months, okay, whereas Ethereum was not making a move, okay? So it's finally happening, guys. In fact, okay, Ethereum has been, outperforming Bitcoin, as we all know, okay? So it is Ethereum's turn, okay, and it is moving, guys, whereas, Bitcoin is not really moving. Like today, Bitcoin is bouncing back up. It's back at 119, right? Above 119. Yesterday, we saw it like below 119. It was at like 118. So Ethereum today is moving, but not as much as Ethereum today, right? And yeah, you guys can clearly see Ethereum is truly about to reach back up to its previous highs of $4.8 thousand. And once we do see Ethereum rising back up to 4.8, it's going to continue. It's going to break out of it, and it's going to continue to go much higher. So I hope you guys are ready for it. Okay, I mean, for the past few weeks, few months, for Ethereum has been looking good, right? Back in April, okay, 7th of April to be exact, we saw Ethereum going as low as just below $1,400. Okay, 1.4. Okay, just below it, and now it's been rising for the past few months. Okay, ever since early of April to where we are right now, it has been going up. So, man, it is looking pretty good right now for Ethereum, guys, I must say. And I told you guys many times that Ethereum will be reaching new highs very soon. So overall, guys, okay, the crypto market today is looking amazing. Overall, the market's up 2%. Bitcoin today is not really moving. Okay, only up 0.33%. And for the week, it's only up 5%. Now, look at Ethereum. Today, it is up 7%. Okay, and for the week, it is up over 28%. So clearly, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin, guys. And look at this, right? Other altcoins today are moving. Okay, BNB is moving, XRP is moving, Solana up 10%, Dogecoin is moving. Okay, Chainlink up 10%. Chainlink is really on the move. I mean, look at it, right? Almost 45% for the week for Chainlink, guys. Okay, Chainlink has been absolutely skyrocketing. Sui is moving as well today. Avalanche, Litecoin, you name it. Fair few meme coins are moving as well. Look at Pepe, 7%. Let's have a look at Casper real quick. What's Casper doing? Up 6% today, looking pretty good. And for the week, it's up 13%. Not too bad, guys. Okay, it really, really is not too bad today. A lot of greens today, as we saw yesterday. The market was in the reds, but today it's in the greens. Right, look at Filecoin, up 20%, guys. Okay, a fair few memes, like I said today, are in the greens, a massive, massive gain. So yeah, it's great to see that a lot of altcoins are moving today, up, at least over 5%, 10%. It's amazing. Okay, it really, really is, guys. Right now, looking at Ethereum, this is the Ethereum monthly returns, not Bitcoin. Right. I've been showing you guys a lot of the Bitcoin monthly returns, but today we're going to be doing Ethereum, like I said. But yeah, it is up 25% for this month in August. Amazing. Okay, last month in July, it was up almost 49%, guys, almost 50%. Okay, same with May, it was up over 40%, right? So, Ethereum has been looking pretty good. Obviously, back, January, especially February, March, it was not looking pretty good for Ethereum, okay? And I felt like that's when a lot of people were losing faith, but I simply held my Ethereum. I knew Ethereum will eventually be reaching new highs, and that's exactly what Ethereum is doing right now, right? It's about to reach back up to its previous highs. It's absolutely moving. It's skyrocketing. And yeah, a new high is coming, guys. Look at Ethereum for Q3, up pretty much 86%. Amazing. Almost 100%, guys, for Q3. And I do believe, okay, in Q3, we're going to see Ethereum beyond 100%. That is coming, guys. Okay, that is coming. Okay, and this is not going to be our first time seeing this. I mean, look at 2017 and Q2. It was up over 400%. Okay, Q4 2017, it was up over 100%. Okay, 142%. 2019 and Q2 was up over 100%. So I would not be surprised if we do see Ethereum up over 100% once again in Q3 of 2025. I would not be surprised, guys. Okay, so get ready, Ethereum holders. Ethereum is about to make some massive moves. Now, I came across this. It's actually very, very interesting. So Ethereum hits new multi-year high as Tom Lee's Bitmine plans 20 billion ETH raise. So Ethereum, okay, Ether price action target all-time highs amid excitement over Bitmine's giant accumulation plan shifting the focus away from range-bound Bitcoin. Okay, so Tom Lee, guys, okay, is planning on buying more Ethereum, and we know, okay, Tom Lee / Bitmine, right? They have been buying a lot of Ethereum recently, as we all know. Again, they're planning on, raising up to $24.5 billion from its common stock sales to buy more Ethereum. This is massive, okay, and this is very, very exciting. And once this actually happens, this massive buy, Ethereum's going to skyrocket. Okay, I'm telling you right now, we're going to see Ethereum reaching, 5K, 6K, 8K, even 10K. That is coming, guys. Okay, and look at this, right? Ethereum price to $10,000. It is coming. Okay, it is coming, guys. I truly do believe this bull cycle, it is very, very possible, okay, that we do see Ethereum reaching 10K. I told you guys many times, personally, I do see Ethereum reaching at least $8,000, right, to $10,000 and beyond $10,000. Maybe like 11K, 12K, right? Like I showed you guys many times. I've showed you guys, recently a fair few Ethereum charts, right, that we could potentially see Ethereum reaching just beyond 10K. I think that is very, very possible. We will see. No one exactly knows where Ethereum will be heading, where the top will be, of course, right? But I actually do believe 8 to 10K and beyond 10K is very, very possible. Okay, it is very, very possible. So Ethereum holders, be ready. And this time, guys, I am going to be taking majority of my profits with Ethereum. Okay, and as I told you guys many times, my plan, right? I'm going to be, taking my profits with Ethereum. Okay, I'm going to DCA some out, right? Take some money off the table, and then I'm going to reinvest it back into things like Bitcoin and Casper, right? Because I told you guys many times, when I'm investing into crypto, this is pretty much what I'm mainly focusing on, okay, is Bitcoin and Casper, right? I still personally think Ethereum is a great long-term investment. I truly do, but I'm not going to round trip it again, okay, for Ethereum. Okay, and Ethereum dropped quite a bit. So that is my plan, guys. Okay, I will, of course, maybe keep some of my Ethereum, but I'm going to be, selling majority of it this time. I'm not going to round trip it. Okay, I have learned my lesson. But yeah, look at this, guys. Okay, Ethereum is about to break out of its 4-year sideways range, and people are calling for top. Okay, so last time Ethereum broke out of its sideways range, it pumped 20x in just 1 year. So $10,000 Ethereum is coming. Okay, and y'all clearly see, okay, it is about to break out of it. And soon enough, once we do see a breakout, man, it's going to go parabolic. I'm telling you guys right now, we're going to see Ethereum going parabolic. We're going to see a lot of green candles happening for Ethereum. And I hope you guys are ready because it is coming, okay? But yeah, a lot of charts today that I do want to show you guys so you guys can clearly see, okay? As we know, the global money supply has in fact been going up, right? That means Ethereum is going to follow and go up with it. I've showed you guys many charts like this, comparing it with Bitcoin, okay? And yes, Bitcoin has in fact been going up, but you guys need to understand Ethereum will also follow, okay, the global money supply and go up with it as well. So understand, absolutely amazing to see. And yeah, soon enough, we're going to see Ethereum reaching new all-time highs. Okay, there's a lot of room here to grow for Ethereum, right? You have to clearly see that, so be ready for that. Now, look at this, guys. Okay, Ethereum is running the 2016 to 2017 playbook. Okay, so last time, pure retail mania. This time, retail plus Wall Street plus unstoppable global adoption. Okay, so when Ethereum breaks, it won't wait. Be in or be exit liquidity. Okay, and that's very, very true. So you have to clearly see what Ethereum did back in 2016, 2017. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, but 2017 was a fantastic time for Ethereum. Okay, that was pretty much Ethereum's first ever, bull cycle, bull market, and it went absolutely parabolic. It went crazy, right? And it's looking like it's pretty similar to what, where Ethereum is, where it is right now, right, in 2025 for this bull market is looking very, very similar, guys. Okay, so history, like I said, doesn't exactly repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Okay, and you have to clearly see this massive, massive comparison right now of what Ethereum did back, 2017 versus right now in 2025. Okay, it is very, very similar, guys. Okay, it just is, right? You have to just clearly see that. So, man, Ethereum is about to be going much, much higher, and I hope, okay, I truly do hope you guys are ready for that. Now, talking about exit liquidity, look at this, guys. So, just in, okay, $135 million worth of Ethereum shorts liquidated in the past 60 minutes, right, in the past hour. So, that's crazy. Okay, and this is why, guys, okay, I don't put short positions when I'm investing or when I'm in crypto, right? When I'm trading crypto. Okay, this is not the time right now to put short positions, guys. Okay, it just isn't. I mean, think about it. $135 million worth of Ethereum shorts liquidated in past 1 hour. That is crazy. Okay, and this is why, guys, personally, I am not shorting Ethereum, I'm not shorting Bitcoin or anything like that. Maybe, yes, we will see some corrections along the way, right? Nothing goes up forever. But understand, when we do see these corrections happening, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other altcoins, right, it's going to recover and rise back up to the upside. Okay, that's what you guys need to understand. Okay, it is altcoin season, right? It is beginning, guys. Okay, this is pretty much the beginning of altcoin season. It is happening right in front of us, guys. So understand, right, when we do see some corrections, it's going to recover and go back up. Okay, understand that, guys. Now, also look at this, right? This is actually amazing. Over $116 billion added to the crypto market cap in the past 24 hours. $116 billion, guys. That is crazy. Okay, today is for sure a great day for Bitcoin and crypto, right? It really, really is, guys. And look at Ethereum up, over 8%, whereas Bitcoin is not moving at all today. Okay, so look at all these other altcoins moving like crazy. This is altcoin season, guys. Okay, this just clearly shows you guys that it is altcoin season. Okay, Bitcoin is not really moving. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Okay, and altcoins are moving like crazy, right? You have to clearly see that Solana's up over 10%, like I showed you guys. Ethereum's up 8%, right? A lot of, other altcoins are up over 5%, 10%. This is altcoin season, guys. So let me just quickly show you guys the Bitcoin dominance. So yeah, you have to clearly see it is now back below 60%. Okay, we saw it rising back up, okay, to beyond 60%. It went up to actually 62%, and now it's dropping massively back down below 60%. So you have to clearly see the Bitcoin dominance has in fact been dropping. This is exactly what we want to see, because every single time, guys, we see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, like in 2017 and of course in 2021, what happens right after it? Okay, altcoin season begins. Okay, and that's exactly what's going to happen. We're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping back down to 50%, 40%, and maybe even lower than that. Okay, it is very, very possible. So I hope you guys are ready for altcoin season. It's about to be happening. Okay, and yeah, we're all going to be rewarded massively. Okay, but yeah, it is looking absolutely amazing right now for Ethereum. You guys clearly see it is about to reach back up to its previous highs. And yeah, I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are as well. Who wouldn't be, right? This is truly the moment that we've been waiting for. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always much, much appreciated. And yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.